Okay, so this is the drill. The light switch is right there. Wow! Put your hands up. What did you do? Put your hands up. Anyways, that's the light. It's pretty bright. It's big. And this is to... Oh, it's on. I left it on. Oh my god. Okay. I'll never do that. In the manual it says to never do that. I left it on. Whoops. Anyways. Yeah, that's the trigger to make the drill turn. And this is the switch to determine which way it does turn. To the right. Righty-tighty. To the left. Lefty Lucy. And then this is the button you press to move the angle it points at. So right now it's at 180 degrees. Right now it's at about 90. Wait, is there one more? There's one more, isn't it? Yeah, and then this is a little bit, I think. Maybe like 70. I don't know. But yeah. That's the 3 angle modes. Yeah. And it comes with these 2. This Phillip head thing. I don't know what this is called. And a flat head. And for this one, you just put this in here. And then, let's say you want to tighten a Phillip head screw. You put this to the right and to the right. Hold on. Okay guys, so this is my fan. As you can see, it has a Phillip head screw right there. They all are. That one's a little stripped. Anyways, right now it's for tightening it. And it's already tightened. So I will turn it to the left. Let's say, oh, I want to clean my fan. Put this here. See that? Anyways, yeah. That's almost out. You wanna screw it back in? And when it makes it like that sound, that means you need to stop. It's already pretty tight. Go like that. You need to stop. Okay, bye.
I'm reviewing this BLACK+DECKER small screwdriver, and what a great product this is. I am so glad I bought it. It brings the charger, 2 drill bits, and it's very, very light, very compact. Here we can put it straight like this. It fits anywhere. Here we go. This here to the right. There we go. Put it back in the middle. It's locked clockwise. And my favorite feature is that this here is a flashlight. So if you are doing work in, let's say, inside a cupboard or a cabinet, this is great to have. That is a lifesaver. That flashlight is very bright, and this is like probably one of the best products that I've ever ordered on Amazon. This little guy here is it's good. It came in so handy, and it's very powerful. It's such a great product. I highly recommend it, and excellent price point as well. Everyone should have one of these in their car or, you know, in their toolbox. Excellent, highly recommended.
Here we have a Black & Decker full 4-volt max cordless screwdriver. It comes with everything that you see here. You get the charger cable. There are 2 bits, both Phillips and flathead, as well as the wireless screwdriver itself. Now the screwdriver can be 3 different positions. You have the straight position. There is the 45-degree angle, and also close to a 90-degree angle. As you see from previous, they used to have a button up here that you had to press on top. You just which way you want to go, and then you pull the trigger to make it go. Another great feature about this, it has an LED light just built into it to help with seeing in those dark places and being able to find the screws easy. Hope you enjoy it.
Este es mi destornillador. En apenas unos días de haberlo estado usando, yo lo desarmé, lo quité. La transmisión, la base es plástica, esto es plástico, los piñones de metal no aguantan, la base plástica se desgasta y bota todos los dientitos. Quizás no se percibe bien en el video, pero ya en esa parte no le queda el diente, que es donde fluye la transmisión. Muy mala calidad. Esa base debe ser de metal para que resista. No les recomiendo a nadie, porque su uso sería muy limitado a tornillito de apenas algunos milímetros, que no tiene ningún tipo de resistencia.
This is my Black & Decker screwdriver. It also works good as a good drill if you have the bits. Like I do. I have the bits. This is the kind you want to buy. This type right here. I'll take a little picture for you. It has the bit anchor that you have to put in the screwdriver. Other than that, it's a great little tool. It has a flashlight on it. I'll turn it on for you. It has a flashlight on it that works great whenever you get into small places. You can pick and turn it upright and make it long, and then it's a long screwdriver, and it works really great. I like it. Folks need to try it. It's a great product, a great tool. Thank you.
This is the Black & Decker rechargeable electric screwdriver. I just love it. I use it for everything around the house. You just unplug, you charge it up, unplug it, and then it's ready to go. Comes with 2 heads, the Phillips head and the flathead screwdriver, which is basically all you ever really need. I know some other brands have different head bits. That's why I gave it 4 stars, because you may want more. But this is just perfect for me.
Alright, so within a month of having this and using it only once, I think the charger stopped working, so there's power to this power bar. This light doesn't seem to go on, so it doesn't seem to charge, and I've tried leaving it plugged in for 12 hours plus. It worked a little bit it worked at the start fine, but then it just died again just after using it one time.